Feeling that constant hum of pressure from a world that never logs off? We chase solutions in apps and hacks, but the secret to crushing stress might be a 2,000-year-old philosophy called Stoicism. This isn't a dusty lesson. These are practical tools. In this video, we'll break down 5 simple Stoic practices you can use right now to find calm in the chaos. First is the dichotomy of control. The philosopher Epictetus said it simply: some things are up to us and some are not. Most of our stress comes from trying to control things we can't, like traffic or what other people think. The practice is to pause and ask, is this in my control? As Marcus Aurelius taught, you only control your own thoughts and actions. So mentally sort everything into 2 boxes: what you can control and what you can't. Then let that second box go. Focus your energy only on the battles you can win. Next is Premeditatio Malorum, or premeditating on bad things. This isn't about being morbid, it's about building resilience, since what catches us by surprise hurts the most. Briefly imagine a fear coming true. Then ask, what would I do? How would I cope? You'll realize you're more resilient than you think, turning vague panic into a practical plan. You'll also come back to the present with a huge sense of gratitude for what you have right now. You strip away fear's biggest weapon: surprise. If these ancient ideas are helping, hit that like button to spread the word, and stick around for our next practice, used by a Roman emperor to find clarity in chaos. Practice 3 is the Stoic Journal. Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius's famous Meditations wasn't a diary. It was a tool to manage stress. Writing down your anxieties forces clarity. Each evening, try this. First, write down exactly what's stressing you out. Second, separate what you can control from what you can't. Third, ask, how can this challenge make me better? A tough presentation becomes a chance to practice courage. As Aurelius wrote, what stands in the way becomes the way. This turns venting into problem solving. In a stressful moment, we often react instantly and regret it. Our fourth practice creates space, the Stoic Pause. Science confirms that slowing your breath calms your nervous system. When you feel that rush of anger, before you react, just pause and breathe. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale slowly for 6. A few rounds of this physically calms you down and creates a critical gap between the trigger and your response. In that pause, you get to choose how you want to act instead of being a slave to your emotions. Our final practice targets the feeling that we never have enough, a deliberate practice of gratitude. It's about shifting focus from what you want to what you have. The practice is simple. Each day, write down 3 specific things you're grateful for. Not my family, but the way my partner made me laugh. Marcus Aurelius suggested we think of our blessings, then remember how badly we'd want them if they were gone. This trains your brain to see the abundance that's already here, providing a peace that no new purchase ever can. So to recap the 5 practices: 1. Focus only on what you can control. 2. Prepare for hardship to build resilience. 3. Journal to externalize your worries. 4. Use a pause and a breath to choose your reactions. And 5. Practice specific gratitude. The core message is simple. You can't control the world, but you can always control your response. Don't try all 5 at once, just pick one. Tonight, try writing down 3 things you're grateful for. Which practice resonated most with you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more practical philosophy for a better life, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.